guys, I'm back with another video, and last time I made an ender portal and I said I would make you one of these. Now these, all you need is two things. It's pretty simple. All you need is bedrock and end crystal. And then I was really excited to make these. So I thought I could make heaps of them and blow them all up. And in the end one, you could see how it couldn't blow up the obsidian, because nothing can blow up obsidian. And it was starting to get frustrating, so I looked everywhere, and then I even typed up end, and then it came up with the crystal. So now I would show you how much of these I could blow up at a time. This is one of them blowing up, right? That's one of them. I wonder what this many would do. Holy dooly. That was a lot. I think that would be like 10 times bigger. Oh my god. So now I would be fitting as many of these as I can, and I'll try to make them like so much, and then I'll keep you guys updated. So here we go with the first lot. Okay, we're making like a big square kind of thing. I better not touch them, otherwise they'll explode and the experiment would go all wrong. It's kind of a bit fun setting stuff on fire in Minecraft, because it's like, I don't know why, but I just like feel, I don't know, like, because I can't set my own house on fire, so I set like things on Minecraft on fire. It's really fun actually. So if you guys were wondering how to make an ender portal, I'll make that pretty soon, because I actually made it in the last video. If you're wondering how to make it, go check the last video out, and if you can't find the last video, I'll make it in this video. So I make YouTube videos every single day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and tell me you think how big the explosion is going to be in the comments. I think it's going to be like 1,000 bits of just like grass everywhere. So if I was in survival, I would die to even one of these. So you guys can just grab whatever block. Well, you kind of have to have this block, but it actually is very easy to do. You can do it on iPad. Right now I'm on iPad, so you can do it on iPad. I don't know if you can do it on PC. I think you can do it on Xbox, but I'm not quite sure about that. So make sure you keep watching and see what the explosion turns out to be. Oh, whoops. We've got a few more bits to go, so I will quickly fill up these bits, and then I'll say 3, 2, 1, and then I'll explode them. I nearly exploded it. Oh my god, that was so close. If I exploded it, oh my god. Oh my god, I exploded it. Oh my god, that actually jump scared me in real life. I got so scared just then. I was just like, whoa. And it bounced me right back. What happens if I go... Wait, can I remake them? Oh yeah, I can remake them. Cool. Oh jeez. Alright. So let's just quickly remake. Don't touch it. Last time, oh my god, I just blew them all up. That was a real accident. Oh my god. I meant to blow it up when they're all on. Oh jeez, man. I was going to surprise you guys, but the surprise was ruined by me. So if you're wondering how to make these, just grab an ender crystal and some bedrock. Place the bedrock down and get the ender crystal. It looks like glass, but it has like a crystal in it. So make sure you do that. If I'm going to, oh my god, why do I keep doing that? I'm actually going to stand on top of one. Oh, whoops, I just killed the sheep. Wait, what happens if I do it underground? Wait, what? Wait, is it light? Oh, no, it's not. Oh, jeez. Oh my god, it's so dark I can hardly see anything. Oh jeez. Alright, let's go up to the top. Okay, let's quickly make the ender portal again, and I would show you. This is the Endermite. Oh, I really wanted to spawn the ender dragon, but I can't. Alright, so there's lots of ender stuff. So let's just go 3 by 3, 3 by 3. I'll show you. Well, I really wanted to go. Also, don't forget to go search Kennedy's DIYs, and it would come up with her YouTube channel. Subscribe to her. Okay, so it looks like space so much. It's like these floating things. What if I do this? Oh my god. Oh, what the heck? Cool. But I have another throw one at a zombie. Oh jeez, there's too many of them. Okay. Wait, what the heck? What if I do this? Alright, ready? I'm gonna do this over the top of it. What happens then? What? Oh my god, it didn't even wreck that. Oh my god. Okay, guys, hope you had a great day today. And see you in the next video. Bye.